Following these steps provides correct fine and gross traction adjustments for the OT1000 series tables. Press lever on gross traction assembly forward away from the operator to release traction slide. It is important to release the gross traction on patient's leg prior to lowering spar below horizontal to avoid potential injury to the patient. Pull lever back toward operator to lock. Rotate large handle on traction unit assembly for fine adjustment of the limb or foot. The gross traction lever does not need to be released. Ensure that sufficient fine and/or gross traction distance is released prior to positioning the patient. For external or internal rotation of the patient's foot, press button on top of vertical handle and rotate the handle clockwise or counterclockwise. Note rotation degree markings in front of vertical handle to assist with positioning. Additional rotation and angle adjustments can be made by releasing the knob at the end of the L bracket or by releasing the knob between the boot and fine traction connections. Following these steps will provide the assembly and adjustments required to achieve proper setup for patient traction on the OT1000 series tables.